Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix screen resolution problem in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to go on your search option, then open your device manager. So after open your device manager, you just need to go on display adapter. You just need to check your graphics driver. So you just need to update your driver. So how can you update? Just select and right click on your mouse, and then you can find the option update driver. Make sure your PC is connected with internet. So after update your driver, let's back and select your Windows icon, select settings gear, select system, and then you can find the option advanced scaling settings. Select it and make sure this option is on. Let Windows try to fix apps so they are not blurry. So you just need to enable this option, and then let's back again, open your settings and open again system, display, and then if you just scroll down, here you can see there have an option display resolution. Select it and make sure you selected recommended option, and then if you just again select advanced display settings, just scroll down and refresh it. Make sure you also selected here recommended on. My PC is 60 Hz. I selected. So that's it. After doing all, I hope your screen resolution problem will solved. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.